this recipe, you will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, 1 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 2/4 cups of coconut oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 2 teaspoons baking soda, 3 eggs, and a cup of milk. In a large bowl, add your sugar and sift all your dry ingredients to remove any lumps. Add your cocoa powder and give it a good mix. Create a well in the middle and add your eggs. Add the oil and the cup of milk. Finally, add your vanilla and whisk. Stir in a cup of hot water. With a spatula, stir to make sure there are no dry patches underneath. Line the bottom of 2 8x8 inches cake pans with parchment paper and divide your batter among them. Cakes are ready to be baked. Bake these for 25 minutes. It's been 25 minutes and the cakes are completely done. Please wait for the cakes to cool down before you flip them over. You don't want that to happen. But we're still going to eat some chocolate cake. Haha! Flip them over and cut them into 2 halves. I realized having the parchment paper underneath made it very easy to get the cake out of the baking bowls. You will need 300 grams of semi-sweet chocolate, 1 cup hot whipping cream to melt the chocolate, and 1 cup cold whipping cream. Mix them together and set 1 cup of the mixture aside to be used as topping later. In a different container, add the cold whipping cream and whisk until it's creamy. Add in bits your chocolate mixture and whisk. Top the cake with the 1 cup of chocolate set aside. Spread and chill this in the fridge for 20 minutes. Oh, that looks good! This cake really turned out great. It's really moist and very delicious. Please give it a try. This can be a perfect Valentine's Day recipe for you and your loved one. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you.